Hi, it's Dr. Mike again. So my most memorable case for 2015 has to do with a woman in her 40s who was coming into the office for headaches, neck pain, and lower back pain. And she found out that I do rehabilitation with my patients. And she asked me if she thought I could help her with her knees. So I asked her about her knees, and she told me that she had a really bad fall a few years ago where her knee bent completely out sideways, and she can't remember exactly what the doctors told her at the time, but she thinks she tore a lot of the ligaments in her knee, but never really did anything about it afterwards. At this point, her knees are very degenerated. They snap, they pop, they make tons of noise when she moves, and she has a really hard time walking. So I figured that we would start doing some easy exercises with her, that she could tolerate, and see where it would get us. So she worked with me for probably about 5 months last year, and after about that amount of time, she came in one day for an appointment, and she started to tell me something, and she started to cry. And I could tell it was a happy cry. It wasn't a bad cry. And what she told me was that she loves gardening, and that for the first time in the last 2 years, she was able to go out in her yard and plant a garden. That meant that she had to get on her knees and dig in the ground and do things that her knees wouldn't let her do for the last 2 years since they had gotten so bad. And she was grateful for that. And hearing a story like that made my day. It's something that I think about a lot, and that makes her case the most memorable case of 2015 for me.